We now know this little poem, Lemonade, Lime Juice, Cherry Coke Splash. We also added some body percussion, a clap on the blue letters, pats on our shoulders or arms on the red letters, and our lap for the rest. Let's do it in slow motion just to make sure we remember how it goes. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Awesome. Let's speed it up and do it 4 times in a row. If you're feeling like, wait, I don't remember how this goes, I'll add a link to the video from last time so you can review if you need to. Here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. 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 This time I'm going to do something a little different on the 3rd line. Where you see that blank space, don't do our pattern anymore. Listen and see if you can figure out exactly what I added. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. How many claps did you count in there? Let's do it one more time and count the claps this time. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Hopefully you counted 8 claps. Add in those 8 claps with me this time. Here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Very nice. All right, this time I'm not going to count out loud. Let's just keep those claps in. We'll call the poem part our A section and our claps the B section. So we're going to go A, B, A. Here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. This time, I'm going to add something a little different in the B section using what do you see next to me? You keep going, 8 claps, and that way you can make sure that the rhythm I make up is exactly 8 beats. Ready? Here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Bubble water, Sunny D, bubble water Sprite. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke splash. Awesome.